all to this digital event on result and felicitation of National Quiz Competition 2020, a digital event to felicitate the winner of National Quiz Competition on Birth Sanitary of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, jointly organized by Raman Science and Technology Foundation, Gujarat, Aryabhatta Club, Ranka, Jharkhand, and Vigyan Prasar Network, Department of Science and Technology of India, to prepare young brain for space research program and to aware people about ISRO, Vikram Sarabhai and environment protection at the same time. So to start, let us listen to the respective dignitaries of this event. At first, you will listen to the message of Shri P. Joshi sir about his experience to this quiz competition 2020. Sir have also provided an amazing lecture on ISRO which you all liked, and we know that many of you were waiting to listen sir.
Hello friends, I am Jayant Joshi, former scientist at Indian Space Research Organization. I extend my warm welcome at concluding part of one of the most exciting event of the year, National Quiz Competition 2020, jointly organized by Raman Science and Technology Foundation, Gujarat, Vigyan Prasar Network, Department of Science and Technology, and Aryabhatta Science Club, Ranka. Friends, as you all are aware, that this year is being celebrated as the birth centenary year of great visionary and founding father of Indian space program, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who quickly recognized the benefits of space technology and envisioned that the resources in space have the potential to address the real problem of man and our society at large. Friends, ISRO since then followed the exact path carved by such great visionary, and as a result, from a small fishing village called Thumba in Tiruvananthapuram, starting from the first floor of a small church, now reaching to Mars and beyond, and now it has come on the threshold of exploring Sun via its most ambitious mission called Aditya L1. The purpose of this quiz was to generate thrust, to provide momentum and awakening of our young minds towards space science and its achievement by ISRO. So very rightly, the organizers decided that the theme would be about Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Aditya mission, and about the achievement of ISRO. I am personally overwhelmed and excited to learn that a record-setting participation by all of you, which did not limit being pan-India, but it has crossed the borders also. A big thank you and salute to your quest for learning and exploring space science at very young age, which is really very heartening to learn at this juncture. Not only that, your constant vigilant tracking and persistent queries about this program and its next highlights are enough proof to believe that the million dreams of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai for use of space science and technology for benefit of common man and society is still alive today. This gigantic task of motivating a record-setting participation from KG to PG was made possible by meticulous planning, hard work, and dedication of Dr. Chandramouli Joshi, the chairman of Raman Science and Technology Foundation, Gujarat, Dr. Ashok Ranade, scientist at Vigyan Prasar Network, Department of Science and Technology, and neat execution which was done by young and dynamic coordinator Alok Chaudhary of Aryabhatta Science Club, Ranka. My compliments to all of them. At this juncture, I wish all the participants and especially the top 3 winners a very great success, a very bright and sparkling career ahead, and Looking at the potential and your enthusiasm, I definitely have no doubt in my mind that at least we would be getting 5 to 10 young budding scientists emerging from this batch this time to serve for ISRO and our great nation. Wish you all the best and thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Jayant sir. Raman Science and Technology Foundation is leading in various areas for not only about science but for mass popularization as well by various events, and is also one of the organizer of this competition. So for that, we will listen to the special message of the Director of Raman Science and Technology Foundation, Gujarat.
I am Dr. Santilal Bhorania, Director of Raman Science and Technology Foundation, Gujarat, India. National Quiz Competition 2020, jointly organized by Raman Science Technology Foundation, Gujarat and Aryabhat Science Club, Jharkhand, supported by Vigyan Prasar, New Delhi. In our quiz competition, more than 36,000 participants from 19 states of India and 9,000 participants successfully passing quiz competition. That is our great success. On behalf of Raman Science and Technology Foundation, India, special thanks to Dr. Arvind C. Ranade sir, Senior Scientist of Vigyan Prasar, F Category, DST, Government of India, for your kindly guidance and motivational speech. Also thanks to parents, teachers, principals, all students for your spent golden time in our quiz competition. I also thanks to ISRO scientist Dr. Chaniara sir, Dr. J.P. Joshi sir for his good direction. At last, specially thanks to Alok Chaudhary, coordinator of Aryabhat Science Club, Jharkhand. Very hard work for success national quiz competition. It is a matter of pride and great pleasure for us that Raman Science and Technology Foundation, Gujarat, India, this is in a way an initiation to encourage the science scenario in childs and teachers. Once again, thanks to all. Vande Mataram, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Hind. Thanks to all.
Thank you, Dr. Bhorania sir. I'm sure we all will have lots to take back from today's event. Vigyan Prasar Development of Science and Technology is one of the important organizers of this quiz. On the behalf of Vigyan Prasar, Dr. Kapil K. Tripathi, scientist at Vigyan Prasar, has sent a special message for all the participants of this quiz. So let's listen to the message.
I heartily welcome to all directors of National Council of Teachers Scientists India and other participants on the occasion of valedictory function of National Quiz Competition 2020. As you know that this quiz competition was organized on 5th June 2020. At the same day, we celebrate the World Environment Day. This program was jointly organized by Raman Science Technology Foundation, Gujarat, Aryabhat Science Club, Jharkhand and Vigyan Prasar. The quiz was organized on 100th birth anniversary of Vikram Sarabhai, who was the father of India Space Research Program. The theme of this year was ISRO Mission Aditya. I congratulate all the quiz winners and hope you will continue to achieve billions in your future endeavors. I would also like to congratulate all other participants for their sincere efforts and commitment. And I also wish they will also achieve a grand success in their future. Once again, I congratulate to all organizing members to conduct such a wonderful program. Thank you.
Thank you, Kapil sir, for your encouragement to the participants. It will definitely boost students to do creative in life. Aryabhat Science Club Ranka working in tribal areas for science popularization from 9 years. From Aryabhat Science Club, Ranka coordinator of club Shri Alok Kumar Chaudhary will address us, where he will also announce some important points regarding quiz. So let's hear to Alok Kumar Chaudhary.
Hello everyone, this is Alok Kumar Chaudhary, coordinator of Aryabhat Science Club Ranka, and I am much glad that we are end of this national quiz competition, and in this event winner of this competition will be felicitated, and if you are not a winner, no need to worry about it, because it is not a last opportunity. And also know that you all want more opportunity like this. For this purpose, we have decided that our portal aryabhatscienceinfo.com will work like a science opportunity portal or Vigyan Avsar, where you can get various information regarding science, technology and various opportunities in this. So be connected on this portal, it will launch soon. There is no any confusion that scientific development in a student is depend on a school, that how much school do work for scientific development and temperament. For this purpose, we have provided opportunities to schools that they can be winner on the basis of how many students will be part of this competition. So we have configured the winners of this competition as a school winner. So there are the school winners, and congratulations to them. So first is Sant Columbus School, New Delhi. Second one is New Diagram Public School, Indore. Third one is Jagran Public School, Noida, UP. And fourth, Army Public School, Faizabad. And fifth place for Sen Guruji Madhyamik School, Amalner. So these are the school winners. For your kind information, we want to say that winner of this competition is categorized on the basis of percentage. So it is gold medal 90% above, silver medal 80% above, and bronze medal 70% above. On the basis of this categorization, we have found that 218 participants have winner of this competition, and all will felicitated and will get prize and certificate by post, including school winners. Here I want to add that you all know that this competition was organized to popularize ISRO's mission Aditya in this lockdown, to make this more scientific and creative. Here we have also added that environment is how much matter for us. If you all will focus on another objective of the competition, that is birth centenary celebration of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Here celebration means you can know that it is not only to initiate for the birth centenary, but also to remove whatever negativity stress developed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But we knew from some parents that due to the not submitting quiz at time, their child got the disappointed. Believe us, our objective is not to make anyone disappointed or stressful, but make the child to the more scientific and creative for the nation development by the scientific temperament. For this purpose, we have decided to give the participation certificate for the all registered participant. But for this, you all have to fill one form so that we can issue the certificate. For this purpose, you have to go to the link for the certificate generation. Here they will ask about that you have submitted your quiz or not. If you have submitted, submit your 5th of June's screenshot, whatever you have received on email. You have, if you have not submitted your quiz at time, no need to worry, only select as no. So by this you will get participation certificate. Now you should be happy. Here you can see that we have also included some question for our further improvement. So fill all the detail whatever you have filled during the participation, and also share your feelings regarding this competition. Who have received certificate, we are also requesting to them that please submit your feedback form. It will very helpful for us. We have organized this competition, not even any taken fee for the same. Have we taken any fee? No, right? So this is your turn to support us. So how you all will support us? Will you pay any money? No, we don't need any money, but we need support as other thing. We need your help as your smile. So keep a smile and make smile to other face of others. in situation of this pandemic. You can understand well that our next mission of Aryabhatta Science Club Ranka to making India smile. Due to whatever we have felt these days in country, can be stressed these days due to not looking like that. So this will be a challenge for us that start this movement with the hashtag Your Smile Matter and hashtag ASC Ranka. By accepting this challenge, you will have to not work only for the making India happy, but we will also work for the opportunity also to do something for your relative, your friends, to make them happy. For this movement, you have to post something on social media and using a hashtag Your Smile Matter, and other hashtag you have to use is as hashtag ASC Ranka. Just like this one video, you will also can submit on social media and use this hashtag. A winner of this challenge is also felicitated by us. We will soon upload more detail regarding this, so be updated regarding this movement also. At the end, I want to thank everyone related to the quiz. Dr. Chandramouli Joshi sir, for your interest and your dedication to this quiz competition. Sri Jayant Joshi sir, thank you very much for your technical knowledge and various aspects suggestion for this competition. Dr. Arvind C. Ranade sir, thank you very much for your leadership for this quiz competition, and also your lecture regarding the mission Aditya, very important for us. We have also received various knowledgeable thing from the Bharat Bhai Chaniara sir as the bus centenary video of Dr. Bikram Sarabhai, Dr. Ram Bhuj sir as the environment talk, and other also just like Dr. Bhurania sir also given us message, wishing message. Also Kapil K. Tripathi sir. I also want to thank the team of Aryabhatta Science Club Ranka, team of Raman Science and Technology Foundation Gujarat, and also Vigyan Prasar Network for their dedication for the successful of this competition. There can be chances that we forgot who have helped for this quiz competition. So I also want to thank to them all. And at the end, I would also like to thank to the resources used in this quiz competition. I think I have taken much time. So for now, thank you. Be connected, be safe, and be happy. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Alokji, for your announcement. Most importantly, for Vigyan Sir. Also, congratulations to the top institution. Also, please fill the feedback form for further improvement. So finally, this is the time for result declaration. How much you are excited for it? Much, right? So the result will not be announced like first, second and so on, and is not announced by me. We have arranged it as gold, silver and bronze medal. Yes, you can see and download your ranking too, which will soon be uploaded after this event on the website and here too.
Thank you.